I'm John, the owner at Robinson Motorsports. This is our 2008 Georgetown 373 with very low miles. As you can see, the front seats are out at the upholstery shop. We do have a backup camera. The generator has 68 original hours, leveling system, jackknife couch, hide-a-bed couch, 40-inch TV with lots of storage, Dometic two-way refrigerator, brand new RCA, microwave convection, 3-burner stove, dual basin sink, have a little breakfast nook. The table can be moved into the living area. Also have a small TV in the nook area. Here's a closet out by the bedroom. Queen size bed. There is room for a short king size bed. Cabinets up top. 2 closets with lots of drawers. Bathroom has entry from 2 directions. Large stand-up shower. And the commode. This coach will be ready for sale shortly. Call me at 858-705-1238. I'm John Robinson, and I approve of this message.